Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video let's try fixing Wi-Fi connection drops on this device. So first of all, let's disable intelligent Wi-Fi feature. Let's go to settings and you want to select section Wi-Fi. From here tap more settings and let's go to Wi-Fi Plus and please disable this feature. Additionally, you can forget and rejoin to your current network. Let's go back. So under the section connected to Wi-Fi, you want to tap on the basically network that you're connected to and let's press forget button. Now from the list of available networks, you want to find that network and you want to enter password to it. As well, you can enable auto connection. So let's press connect button. Okay, and after this you can turn on and then quickly turn off airplane mode. And additionally you can check your router. So restart your router, you have to disable it then for 30 seconds and then after this you want to turn it back on. So yeah, I feel like after those fixes your problem should be resolved, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.